Hello to everybody. Welcome to the webinar. We are waiting somebody to join, and we are waiting our engineer that has microphone problem. Everything was working 15 minutes ago, but is waiting for him. So please write me in the comment if you can hear me, if everything is okay, if you can hear your voice. We are almost ready to start. Okay, I can hear you. Okay, thank you. Oliver, thank you. That's perfect. Let's check if the engineer can join us. Otherwise, I will do by myself. Okay, I was waiting for the engineer, and we can start. I can share the. No, here engineering is arrived. Hello, Ibrahim. Are you ready?
Hello, everyone. Sorry, I already fixed the problem in my computer. Now, do you hear me?
Yes. That's perfect. Okay, if you can share the presentation. Okay, and we can start.
So now, do you see my screen?
Yes. It's okay. Make full page. Perfect. Let's go.
Okay. So hello everyone, and welcome our audiences everywhere to Sunmaster Business Presentation Webinar. My name is Ibrahim Disuki, the business developer of Sunmaster, and it's a pleasure for having Mr. Marco Gatti, our international business director in Italy. During today's webinar, we are going to review together Sunmaster's history and business activities. Moreover, we are going to show you the solar power systems and solar streetlights product that we have in our manufacturing plant in China. Furthermore, we will introduce the types of technical services in Sunmaster and some of our international project cases. Heads up in the upcoming slides. In Sunmaster founded in 2006 with more than 14 years of experience in manufacturing solar streetlights and solar power systems. In particular, Sunmaster is a joint venture Italian-Chinese organization. Mainly in Italy, we are managing the international business activities. On the technical side, we have a team of engineers that introduce to you the solar streetlights design and the solar power systems configuration. In order to enhance our products and introduce very good service to our clients, we build the technical collaboration with some universities in China, like Taodan University and Zhejiang University, in order to use their laboratories to do testing on our products and issue quality reports under their name. Briefly, our company's value proposition to introduce the best economic solar products based on accurate technical design, and we introduced to our clients supervision on the installation of the solar power systems projects on site. Our project's record is more than thousands around the world in Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and America. And now we are going to play a video.
Sunmaster Solar is a professional manufacturer in solar lighting and solar power system since 2010. Located in Jinhua, China, Sunmaster covers total 11,000 square meters factory, including associated company and branch offices in Italy and Egypt. Our experienced R&D team combine the up-to-date technology into every product design and provides strong technical support for our customer needs. Our main products include off-grid and on-grid solar power system, solar streetlight, solar panel, solar inverter, solar controller, battery, and other solar application products. With many years producing experience, our solar streetlight and solar power system have been successfully applied in more than 120 countries. Sunmaster is UNDP qualified supplier and installed 80,000 units solar streetlights for UNDP projects worldwide, especially in Africa and Middle East regions. Sunmaster has obtained ISO 9001 quality management system, and our products are qualified with TUV, SGS, CE, ROSE, CB, and other certificates. As a result of high-quality products and outstanding customer service, we have gained a global sales network, reaching Nigeria, Cameroon, Burkina Faso, Mali, Togo, Sudan, South Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Lebanon, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Mexico, Colombia, Guyana, Chile, and Argentina. Sunmaster insists on producing top-quality solar products in the world as our goal, the most cost-effective solar products for our customers as our mission, and reducing fossil fuel consumption, eliminating pollution, and saving the Earth as our social responsibility. Contact us now for more details, and we look forward to hear from you soon.
About Sunmaster's manufacturing plant, we have a vertically integrated production facility, so you can get solar street lights and solar power systems components at very competitive prices for your project. Sunmaster supplies to their clients the full kits of solar street lights and solar power systems for installation inside. We introduced to our clients manufacturing solar power systems. Not only that, but we also do engineering activities in Sunmaster. We do solar power systems design using SketchUp and PVSys. So whatever the project circumstances, your project circumstances, we can do the best design in a very cost sufficient way. Our team of engineers who do the design and build the accurate configuration of solar power systems can serve you in some solar streetlights projects like rooftop or ground mounting. Even more, we do the design for all the types of solar power systems like off-grid systems, on-grid systems, and hybrid systems. In Sunmaster production facility, our production capacity in China is capable to supply on off-grid system, as I told before, from 1 kilowatt up to 500 kilowatts. Moreover, Sunmaster had a lead production capacity of 100,000 sets within wattage range of 10 watt up to 200 watt. Here all the components of the solar power systems and solar street lights. We supply LED lights, AC and DC current, as well as we supply monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film solar panels. Regarding the controllers, which is the brain of the solar power systems and solar street lights products, we supply to our clients MPPT controllers and PWM controllers. Moreover, we supply batteries, gel batteries, and lithium-ion battery. Moreover, the cables and interconnections with combiner boxes. You can get the full package of solar street lights and solar power systems, since we supply also the inverters to convert the DC electrical current to AC, steel structure representing in the mounting structure, and the whole structure. Keep in mind that we supply the steel structure a full hot dip galvanized to withstand any project circumstances. Kindly check this video for of the assembly line in our manufacturing plant. So as you see, you can get the solar street lighting applications like Sol Pole, solar street lighting system, all-in-one, and split system. As you see on the left-hand side, is the Sol Pole type, is the highest architecture shape with a vertical, cylindrical, and rectangular solar panel around the pole. Keep in mind that it's the highest priced product among the three types. The split system on the right-hand side fits the highway and industrial solar lighting applications. This lighting system has a technical flexibility in terms of we can reach the optimal lighting and solar component sizing, such as batteries, controllers, and solar panels sizing for any project specification. In the middle one is the all-in-one solar street lighting type. It's a very simple lighting system with a good design. It's a full board lighting components that include a lithium battery. This type fits more the commercial, residential lighting applications like parking lots, universities, and residential compounds. So please pay attention to this video showing the advantages of the solar of the all-in-one system and how it works.
Hi, and welcome to Sunmaster. Today we will show you our integrated all-in-one solar streetlights. All-in-one is an innovative product that integrates all solar components into just one solution. Let's discover how it is made inside. Inside the product you can find the solar panel. We use SunPower monocrystalline PV panels with the top efficiency. The batteries. Only lithium iron phosphate, which guarantee to elevate depth of discharging and high power in small volume. The controller. It's the computer which regulates all the electronics. The aluminum frame, which contain and protect everything with a very sleek design. The PCBA board and the LED chip, the electronic core of the system. The optical lenses, to distribute the light better for street application. The PIR motion sensor, to detect any motion nearby. The mounting accessories, to fix the solar street light to your support. All these items are fixed together to create just one efficient and awesome product. And now our main features. The all-in-one solar streetlight has a compact design to let you handle it in the easiest way. There is no need to use a cable for your easy and fast installation process. It's all cheap and easy transportation. It's eco-friendly. With the most technology integrated, you will contribute to having a cleaner world. Long lifespan. With a minimum of 50,000 working hours, you can forget it and it will still work for many years to come. Warranty for up to 5 years. You can sleep relaxed. We will be responsible for any problems over a long period of time. Certifications. All that is needed to import the product in your country without problems. Automated LED output options to ensure a greater battery autonomy. Lithium batteries to give you higher discharge capacity and more cycle life. Modern design because even the eyes want to see beautiful solar streetlights. Customer replacement components so that in the future, you can easily replace any components finding them on the local market. The all-in-one solar streetlight can work in many different ways. First, automated output options. When the sun shines stop, the solar panel will no longer charge the batteries. The controller detects this moment and gives the signal to the light to switch it on. The light starts at 30% of power in eco mode. When the PIR sensor detects a movement, it activates the light to full power at 100%. After any movement is not detected for at least 20 seconds, the light power will reset to 30% brightness. During the sunrise, the solar panel starts to give signal to the controller, and the light will be switched off. In time mode, the lamp can be set by time schedule, without sensor function. For example, the controller will detect the voltage of the battery, and then decide what output power lighting to last the lighting time from 6 p.m. till 6 a.m. Time schedule and brightness can be customized as per your requirements. According to EN 13201, the Sunmaster all-in-one solar streetlight is superlative for the illumination classes S5 and S6, that is to say for side street with minimal traffic, squares, and parking places. Sunmaster, solar streetlights engineered and studied to fit your local installation requirements. Buy directly from our Chinese factory and let your business grow.
Solar garden lights in different architecture designs, hybrid wind solar lighting systems, and some other small-scale solar products like home solar lighting, small output lighting bulbs, and solar water pumps. Here in this video showing the Wi-Fi camera powered by solar systems.
Get surveillance and security footage like never before with our solar streetlight from Sunmaster. With the duality of Wi-Fi and solar power, you can get into inaccessible areas without the hassle of cables or electrical hookups. The Wi-Fi camera offers the possibility to add a 4G network connection and HD quality. Whether you need surveillance in the city, along highway and streets, or in a remote area, the solar streetlight can provide reliable surveillance with minimal upkeep. Each unit comes equipped with a bright LED light, a Wi-Fi camera, and memory card slot. This allows you to remotely monitor your area through the internet and still be miles away from the camera. Get high-quality imaging in both day and night conditions, and even be alerted through motion-detecting sensors to keep you notified. The Wi-Fi camera supports 1080p quality footage, and many different lens options are available to suit your specific needs. Without the need for technical wiring or installation, it is easy to get set up. Simply install the device where you need to monitor, insert the SIM and SD card, and turn it on. It's that easy. This saves you time and money on expensive gear that can be complicated and in need of professional installations. The versatility of the solar streetlight from Sunmaster gives you so many options for use. Pan Tilt Zoom gives the option to regulate the camera. You can even monitor the camera feed through your phone, allowing you to turn on the camera, snap pictures, or set up a timer, all through the convenience of your mobile device. Get the surveillance you can trust with Sunmaster, anytime and anywhere.
Thanks to the Internet of Things technologies in Sunmaster, you can get the GPRS monitoring system as shown in the slide. It's one that you can use to remote control and monitoring the status of each component in the lighting system without checking on them physically, which means saving money and efforts during the maintenance activities. So let's see how does it work. Each lighting point has an MPPT controller working on ZigBee signals that's sending and receiving data from forward and backward lighting points to cover all the illumination area. And then the data is transmitting to an electrical device or as a concentrator or router that transfer the data accordingly to the internet server, where you can go through from your mobile phone, tablet, or your computer by signing with your username and password. Briefly, the advantage here is that you can switch on and off lighting systems, monitor the status of each electrical device, saving money and efforts remotely by one click. One of the most important features you can get is the lighting sensors and the PIR sensor. The lighting sensor to control the switching on and off according to the start of the dawn and dusk. The PIR monitoring system, the PIR sensor is saving the energy by increasing the brightness of the light while the traffic increases and decrease automatically if the traffic becomes low. Last but not least, in Sunmaster, our clients can get solar power systems for residential, industrial, and commercial sectors. You can get the design and supply of on-grid system, off-grid system with batteries backup, and the hybrid solar systems. The installation here shall be rooftop or ground mounting. We introduce that to you based on the project circumstances and the available installation area in your project. Most of the advantage of solar power systems that it's positively impact the three pillars of sustainability: environmental, economic, and social. It presents an infinite energy source, so Earth never runs out of the solar irradiation, which is the fuel of the solar power systems. Solar arrays are accessible as long as we have the sun during the daytime, and the amount of solar irradiations varies based on the geographical location of your project. Besides that, it's mutinous power generation. This sort of power system generates electricity in silence mode. It's better for residential applications while systems operate without any noise. Third of these advantages is the green energy. Solar systems generate electricity with zero greenhouse gases emissions. It's safe and clean compared with traditional power production. The systems running on solar power are less polluted and eco-friendly. One of the best advantages, the economic one, is the cost saving. So solar power systems are very economics. They generate electricity using natural fuel. The end user doesn't have to pay electricity bills. The system's cost, the initial investment depend on the installed power capacity. In addition, the advantages is the average payback time to remunerate the investments up to 2 or 3 years. Add on that it has low ongoing cost. The end user doesn't have to pay much money during the operations and maintenance because the lifespan of each electrical device is longer than the investment's payback time. The financial risk is very low than the other renewable technologies. For example, most of the solar manufacturers give warranty 20 up to 25 years for the solar panel and 3 up to 5 years guarantee on the inverters, and the same for the batteries. Here we are going to review some of our projects for solar streetlights. This project is already implemented in Saudi Arabia with the Saudi Arabian government. We supplied and installed more than 780 units of solar street lighting. The type is split system. We configured this system based on LED luminaire 85 watt, the powered solar panel 240 watt, and the battery capacity was 150 with 2 pieces buried underground. The mounting height is 8 meters, and the operating hours for this system 8 hours without any diming mode from dawn to dusk. Here is another application in the residential sector in Lebanon. We designed it, supplied, and supervised on the installation for this project. We supplied all-in-one systems with luminaire 100 watt, the powered solar panels 130, and the battery capacity was lithium-ion battery 60 amps. The mounting height was 8 meters, and the operating hours for this system was 10 hours with diming mode. Here is one of the biggest projects in the Middle East we participated in. It was Salim Air Force Base. Salim Air Force Base is military base of the Ministry of Defense in Kuwait. We supplied more than 1,000 pieces, and this project is extensible. So it's still an ongoing project. We supplied in this project split system with GPRS monitoring system, so the operator can control the lighting systems, switching it on and off automatically from his computer. We supplied configuration of this. The configuration of this system supplied as 65 watt luminaires. The solar panels powered 150, and the battery capacity was 2 pieces of 60 amps gel batteries. This project was the United Nations. We supplied in Togo more than 18,000 pieces of solar street lighting. The type was split systems, and we featured this system to be used as Wi-Fi sole pole, so the pedestrian and inhabitant can use the Wi-Fi network and connect to the Internet of Things very easily. The luminaire of this project was 50 watts, solar panels power 120, and the batteries was buried underground. The operating temperature, the operating hours was from dawn to dusk, 10 hours operating during the night. Our clients can get certifications and technical approvals on our products. Mainly, we introduce manufacturing certifications, product certifications, and marketplace certifications. For sure, each marketplace has different types of certifications and standardization system. So our clients should care of the marketplace certifications, or in case they need any support and need us to supply sort of or specific certification required by his marketplace, for sure we can do. Right now we have ISO certification, ROHS, TUV certification, EWA and DEWA approvals in the Middle East. Here is our warranty policy. Usually we offer to our clients the warranty 5 years period. For sure, each component of the solar streetlights and solar power system has different warranty period. For example, the LED lights we usually offer 2 years, solar panels 10 years, mounting structure 15 years, inverters 5 years, and battery up to 5 years. The most important thing here is that we can do expand the warranty period based on the project specification of the client and based on his requirement. But once we increase the warranty period, the prices will be slightly increased. Here are our team, Mr. Marco Gatti, me, and Mr. Steven Zhang in China. So you can contact us at any time in case you have a project, or in case for further discussion or collaboration, you can contact us on these contacts. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ibrahim, for your presentation. If you have any question, you can write down on the chat. We will reply you live. Let me check. Now we have questions. Yes, one question is Ibrahim. Customer is asking if we make OEM products.
Yeah, this project is repeating too much because some of our clients want to get the products under their company name, and we can do that. But there are some requirements from the client. Just contact us privately to discuss the further collaboration and to put the highlights. How can we do that? But for sure, we can do OEM customization.
Okay, thank you. And let's check. Yes, how many offices you have around the world?
We have 3 main offices. The international business office is located in Italy, based in Milan. And we have a showroom and business office also in China, in Zhejiang province. And in Egypt, we have one in Cairo.
Okay, this is another question. If you can provide assistance locally for the installation.
Locally for installation, you mean, does he mean like full package system? In case
I think if we can send somebody to supervise the installation.
For sure, we can do that. For sure, we do project management from A to Z. We do site inspection, doing the design, supply, manufacturing the product, supply, and do supervision on the installation.
Okay, that's all. I don't see any other question. So if you need to know more information, you have requirement for solar street light or solar power system, just contact us. The website is solarstreetlights.com. We will put down in the notes our contact, so you can contact us for any requests you have. Thank you, Ibrahim, again, and see you next time to the next webinar.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Oh, yes, one moment. We have another question, okay? Which PV panels you use and which LED chip you use?
Okay, we use monocrystalline and polycrystalline solar panels in case you asked for a split system and all-in-one. In some cases, if you are looking to get the sol pole, we can introduce you both crystalline and thin film. So mainly we use monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film solar panels. Regarding the LED chips, we have property right to use Philips if you want, and bridge locks, Cree. It depends on your project specifications and end user requirements. In case you are looking to get the Cree one, we can supply. Bridge locks we can supply. Philips we can supply. Keep in mind that the quantity, the number of lumens per watt is up to 180 lumens per watt.
Oh, Ibrahim, thank you for this webinar. I'm interested in partnering with your company on solar power system project. Will Sunmaster provide training for that purpose?
We are planning to do training sessions in the future. You can just leave your contacts, and in case we are ready to do that, we will send you in the upcoming months. But in terms of collaboration, for sure, we can collaborate. In case you have a project, just send us the project specifications, and we will work on that. Normally, we send you the price quotation after 2 days of working days, within 2 working days.
Okay, so thank you again, Ibrahim, for everything, and let's keep in contact. Subscribe to our channel. You will get notified for a new webinar, for new video we are putting, and see you next time. Bye.
Thank you very much.